MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences is a name to reckon with. Our very beloved aspiring students who wish to make their career at MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences have a great message for you friends. Myself, Kuldeep Raina, the Vice Chancellor of this premier institution of higher learning. We are in Bangalore and have been in this area of higher education for the last nearly 6 decades. We have diversified from engineering and technology to medical, life sciences, engineering and technology, the design, and several other programs. I am very happy to share with you that Ramaya University of Applied Sciences offers whole sort of programs which are interdisciplinary in nature. We have over the years created beautiful minds who are our very proud alums, and they have become brand ambassadors for the group. In this university, we every time focus on nurturing the students to the best practices of teaching and learning processes. We follow the process of continuous evaluation and also the assessments, the internships, as well as visit to various corporates depending upon the domain specialization. We have a fully flexible, choice-based graded system of education, which integrates with the concept of the new education policy 2020, which has been announced by the Government of India in July last year. We are very happy to share with you that all those students who are going to come to the portals and get studied by our very beloved and very esteemed teachers are also going to follow the new education policy in due course of time. We have been very critical in appointing the faculty members from the premier institutions, whether it is the area of life sciences, the health sciences, engineering and technology, the design. Most of them have come from after getting training from the premier institutions, both in this country and from overseas. We have a very rigorous process of assessments, evaluation, as well as mentoring and monitoring. Our very esteemed teachers every time get in touch with the students to see if there is any difficulty for them. Friends, we all know that you are very, very conscious of the fact that future careers are very, very important, very, very essential. And Ramaya University of Applied Sciences is a place where you will make your dreams into reality. This realization comes by senior leadership team at all levels getting in touch with you and interacting with you. You may have a couple of questions to ask us. How, why, where, stay, the placement, the internships, and the future prospects. I would like to emphasize here that our placement is growing day by day. Bangalore being the hub of Silicon Valley, the IT, the development, startups, and so on and so forth. We have our engineering and technology and design campus in the heart of the focal point of that, which is the PINIA. PINIA houses nearly 2,500 industries, wherein we try to impart training, shop floor and online for all the students on those startup concepts. We have the technology business incubator as well as the Ramaya University of Innovation Center. Friends, most of you must have been attending our Freshers Fortnight program, which is Arohan. Arohan is welcoming you so that ensure you that when you are on Ramaya University campus, you will be at home away from home. The cultural programs, the various clubs are going to welcome you. I look forward personally in interacting with you and welcoming you to Ramaya University of Applied Sciences for making your career great. Please refer to the website ramaya.university for more details. It will speak about the programs, the duration, and all that you aspire to know from us. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay blessed.